दिस, कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं हम इसको, मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं एंड सेकंड जो है उसका रेसिप्रोकल लेते हैं, ठीक है। यू आर टेकिंग द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ दिस। अब सेम थिंग इज एप्लीकेबल हियर, यहाँ पर हम सेम थिंग एप्लीकेबल कर रहे हैं। इफ 2 मल्टीप्लाइड डिवाइडेड बाय 10 रेज़ टू पावर 1 कैन बी रिटन एज 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10 रेज़ टू पावर 1 का रेसिप्रोकल, मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स, दैट इज 1 by 10, that is 10 raised to power minus 1. Clear? So can I write it as into 0, it is okay, into -1 into -2 into minus. Clear? Now it is very clear, if a particular number is divided by 10 raised to power n is multiplied by 10 raised to power n, तो ये एक पर्टिकुलर नंबर है and that number is multiplied by 10 raised to power n, some power of n, some power of 10, say n. So what is the result? Result क्या होगा? Result will be the shifting of decimal point to n places up to n digit, okay, to the right side. Right side में शिफ्ट हो रहा है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर रहे हैं, 10 रेज़ टू पावर 0 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो यहाँ पर 0 है तो 0 प्लेस मतलब एज इट इज, ठीक है। यहाँ पर 10 रेज़ टू पावर 1 तो ये जो है दिस डेसिमल पॉइंट इज शिफ्टेड टू दिस साइड, राइट साइड। Here 2 places right, here 3 places to right. Clear? And in when division जब कर रहे हैं हम तो what when we are multiplying with negative exponent, so 10 raised to power 0 as it is, multiplication by 10 raised to power -1, this is shifted to 1 place left, 2 place left, 3 places left. This one is clear, ये clear है अभी। Now with this background or with this we can write the expanded form or decimal number. Suppose now I want to express the number, I want to write the expand 235.32. This is the given number, हमको लिखना है इसका expanded form, expanded form में लिखना है नंबर। Let me clear you what is the expanded form. For example, say the number is 41. How it is formed? कैसा form हो गया? Expanded form क्या है इसका? 4 multiplied by 10 plus 1 multiplied by 1. That is 41. Clear? Now similarly, we have to express now this number as exponential expanded form. Expanded form में इसको लिखना है. So it is 2 into 100 means 2 into 10 raised to power 2. ठीक है? This then after that simply you write 3 into plus 3 into 10 raised to power 1 plus 5 into 10 raised to power 0. ठीक है? Plus 3 into 10 raised to power -1 plus 2 into 10 raised to power -2. Is it clear?
Yes.
Clear? Now suppose some number is given to you. Say 10 raised to 5 into 10 raised to power 4 plus 3 into 10 raised to power 2 plus 1 into 10 raised to power -2. What is the number? डेसिमल नंबर क्या होगा इसका? यस
5020.02.
देखो ये when we are saying 00, so instead of why how we are thinking, that is important. Everyone should know हम लिख कैसा रहे हैं वो, ठीक है। 10 raised to power 4 है तो ये पहला नंबर जो है I am writing that this one as it is. अब कितने जीरो देना है बीच में, that is the question. 4 के बाद में 10 raised to power 3 की टर्म है क्या? इस जगह टर्म ऑफ 10 raised to power 3 नहीं है, so we can write 0 into 10 raised to power 3. So here it becomes 0. Then 2 की है टर्म, then what will become number here? 3. Then 1 की टर्म no, so 0. Then 0 की टर्म after 1 there should be term of 0. 10 raised to power 0, then 10 raised to power minus 1 की टर्म है नहीं है, so 0.0, and then 10 raised to power minus 2 की टर्म है, that is 1, here it should be 1. Is it clear?
Yes.
No problem?
No.
Now the next part is, please sit. Now the next part is, all these things or all this simplification is possible if you know the laws of indices. What are the exponents? ठीक है, for the, what are the rules for the operations on the exponent, that should be known to you. ठीक है, how many rules are there in your book?
Sir, 5.
5 are there. Okay, so one more we are considering that negative exponent, that we are considering as rule, so it will be 6. ठीक है, and one more we are writing. So 7 rules we are writing now on the board, and those rules or laws of indices must be clear to each one of you, because those are useful for simplification and finding the answer and all these things. Clear? So the first law, can anybody tell me what is the
Sir.
first law?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, A raised to M.
Please don't refer book. I already told you not to
Okay,
refer book.
sir, can I
हाँ.
tell? A raised to M into A raised to N is equal to A raised to M plus N.
A raised to power n multiplied by A raised to power n is equal to A raised to power n plus n. Clear? Please sit. Now 3 raised to power 5 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2. Can I apply this rule here?
No.
Why? Why?
Because bases are not same.
Bases are not same. So the first rule is applicable whenever the bases are same. When we are taking the product of two numbers which are expressed in the exponential form and their bases are same. The rule states that if the two numbers in the exponential form are multiplied, then the result is always the same base is expressed to the or is raised to the power of sum of the exponents of given two numbers. ठीक है, जैसे a and a, these are the two numbers same base, तो इनका प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा? सेम बेस, कीप द सेम बेस एंड ऐड द एक्सपोनेंट्स. एक्सपोनेंट को ऐड करो. क्लियर? सपोज आई आस्क यू 3 raised to power 6 plus 3 raised to power 94. What is the result? 3 raised to power 100. Clear? So in this way we can write the answer, we can find out the answer. So this is very clear. Now come to the second rule. Clear? What is it? Can you tell? Yeah.
A raised to power M plus A raised to power N is equal to A raised to power M minus N.
Plus
Minus.
divided by
A raised to m divided by m is equal to a raised to m minus 1.
a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n. When the two numbers which are expressed in the exponential form and their bases are same, okay, and we have to perform the division. ठीक है, so we can subtract the exponents. Exponent of numerator minus exponent of denominator. That will be the same base. That will be the result. So the result is a raised to power m minus n. Clear?
Yes.
Suppose the 3 raised to power 2 or 3 raised to power 3 upon 9 or 3 raised to power 2. So result is 3 raised to power 3 minus 2 means 1.
One.
Means answer is 3. It is very clear that 3 raised to power 3 is 27. 3 raised to power 2 is 9. 27 upon 9 is 3. So if you know the rule, instead of calculating and all doing all these things, simply we can tell the answer orally. Here. Now let us come to the 1, 2, 3. What is the third rule?
A raised to m into 3 raised to m equal to a cm.
So a raised to power m multiplied by but their bases are different. Here bases उनके different है. So if the bases are different but the exponents are same, exponent same है, then you have to understand. ठीक है? So exponent are same. So what is the product? क्या product होगा? You can simply find the product of those two bases and that product can be raised to the same power m. Yes, ठीक है? So this is the rule. And the fourth one which is not given in your book but we can write a raised to power m upon b raised to power m is equal to a upon b raised to power m.
Sir, again one I
हाँ.
Sir, a raised to 0 is equals to 1.
1.
Yes.
Okay. And one more power of power 5 a raised to power m. This whole raised to power n is always equal to a raised to power m into
Sir,
n.
again one.
Okay. For example, say 2 raised to power 3 and bracket raised to power 2 is equal to 2 raised to power 6. Clear? Now here please understand where you can use. ये आप कहाँ use कर सकते हो? Suppose you have to find out the value of 2 raised to power 6. इसकी वैल्यू मुझे कैलकुलेट करना है. 2 raised to power 8 वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करना है. You need to calculate the value. So in such cases 2 raised to power 6 की वैल्यू क्लियर नहीं है हमको. But you know that you can write it like this. ठीक है? So 2 raised to power 3 is 8. That orally you can calculate. And 8 square is 64. So 2 raised to power 6 is 64. Is it clear?
Yes.
Is the problem in understanding this? So you can apply this one to bring the ease in your calculation. Calculation को easy करने के लिए आप इसका use कर सकते हो. You can use it. ठीक है? Now come to the sixth one. That is negative a raised to power minus m is always equal to 1 upon a raised to power m. And seventh one is a raised to power 0 is always equal to 1 provided that a is not equal to 0.
Sir,
a 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. हाँ.
Sir, a upon b b raised to minus m is equal to a upon b is equal to m.
हाँ. That is the another form of this one. इसका ही दूसरा form है. Simple rule is this.
But that is in division form.
That is in division form. When you are writing that a upon b raised to power minus m अगर है, you are writing it as b upon a raised to power m like this. So it is very clear a raised to power minus m है, तो उसको 1 upon a हो जाएगा. और 1 upon b raised to power minus m है, तो that is 1 upon 1 by b, that is b raised to power m. So that is the form of this only. Basic rule is this only. Clear? Now all these rules are clear. Any problem in understanding this?
No,
Sir.
Now tell me what is the standard form? What is the standard form? क्या होता है? And how you are, and what is the decimal form? Standard form, just tell me what is the standard form, and then we will write some numbers in standard form, and then we will proceed further for examples. Yes. Decimal point should be after one place, one digit. ठीक है? One digit. One digit means it should not be 0. 0 नहीं होना चाहिए वो. Okay? So because it is very clear. For example, say 0.004. तो decimal point तो 0 के बाद नहीं है. It is after 0. No. Digit means it should not be non-zero digit होना चाहिए एक. उसके बाद में decimal point. और whatever that number is after that one. ठीक है? And then that is the standard form multiplied by 10 raised to power n, where n is the appropriate value as per जो भी होगी. ठीक है? So this is the standard form. ये होता है standard form. अभी now let us consider So I want to write this in the standard form. Standard form में मुझे इसको लिखना है. How can I write it? Where is the decimal point right now? अभी decimal point कहाँ है? Yes. After this, यहाँ पर है. I want to write it here. So how many places I have to shift? कितने places shift करना है? 3 places shift करना है. तो multiplication में क्या लिखना होगा? Please shift करें. हाँ. 10 raised to power 3 क्योंकि राइट में है वो एक्चुअली राइट में उसको शिफ्ट करना है अपने को लेकिन लिख रहे हैं अपन लेफ्ट में. We are writing it in left. We have to but actually it is on right. So we have to shift it on right. तो इसको राइट में शिफ्ट करना है तो डिस्टेंस इट इज 3.6 sorry 262 multiplied by 10 raised to power. This is the standard form. ठीक है. और on the contrary अगर मुझे ये दिया है 0.0002 इसका स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म अगर मुझे लिखना है तो how will I will write I have to write a decimal point here. तो कितने प्लेस शिफ्ट करना है 1 2 3 4 ठीक है 4 प्लेसेस शिफ्ट करना है. राइट में लिख रहा हूं मैं बट एक्चुअली इट इज इन लेफ्ट. उसको लेफ्ट में शिफ्ट होना चाहिए बाद में. सो आई कैन राइट इट एज 2.0 multiplied by 10 raised to power -4. Clear? This is the standard form. Now division exercise है आपके इसमें इन बुक में. So solve that division exercise today at home. ठीक है. उसमें अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो that we will discuss tomorrow first and then we will proceed for the probability. ठीक है. और अगर वो क्लियर है आपको if it is clear then we will start probability or I can also take some questions. I will check whether you have really solved the examples or not. ठीक है. So solve that exercise. Thank you and have a nice day.